Hello and welcome to Maths Alpha today. Today we want to consider a question on bearing. The question says a bearing of 160 degrees expressed as a compass bearing is what? That's a question. So let's handle it together. Look at the question here. Okay. Let's have it together. Let's have the question together. We have solution. Now, I want to quickly introduce you to something. If you have something like this way, these are the four cardinal points. So up here, you have north. Down here, you have south. To the right-hand side, you have east. And to the left-hand side, you have west. So just a quick one. Angle between the north and east here is 90 degrees. Please try and follow so that you understand how to handle the question. Angle between east and south is another 90 degrees. Angle between south and west is another 90 degrees. And finally, angle between north and west, this other side is T 90 degrees. So when you are given a question on three-figure bearing, three-figure means that it has 3 digits. Look at it. 160, and then you have the degree symbol. Okay, so when you want to turn it to a compass bearing, see what you do. See what you do. Draw another line here. I only put this one for the description. You draw another one here, and then indicate the same thing. You have north. Here you have south under here. Here you have west. Here you have east, and then here you have south. Okay. Now they say you should express this one as a compass bearing. Another name for compass bearing is acute angle bearing. Okay, meaning that the angle you're meant to get should not be up to 90. Okay, so let's do that together now. Want to express this one as a compass bearing 160. So remember, in three-figure bearing we move in three-figure bearing we move in clockwise. We move in clockwise direction. Three-figure bearing we move in clockwise direction, beginning from the north. We move in clockwise direction beginning from the north. So we want to cover 160. So what you do is, clockwise direction means that you are moving this way like this, moving from right to left. This kind of movement is what we call clockwise. If you do it the other way around, it's called anti-clockwise. So we want to have this together now. Look at it. So move from, remember this thing I showed you? If you move from north to east like this, is 90. So we want to cover 160. So what we're going to do is move from here to here. You have 90 already. What do you add to 90 to get 160? Okay, it's 70 degrees actually. So you are going to move from here. You will not complete it to the line leading towards the south. If not, it will give you 180. So you move and enter this second place, and then you draw a line. Okay, so this is from here to here already is 90. That means that this place here will be 70. So that by the time you add 90 degrees plus 70 degrees, you get 160. So if you move in a clockwise direction from the north and cover an angle of 160 degrees, you will see a road that if you follow, it will lead you to the direction where you are going. But in compass bearing, we read angle with respect to either north or south. We read angle with respect to either north or south. So if you look here closely, you discover that where the angle here is situated, this one here, 70, is not directly towards the south. So we should have read the angle as east 70 degrees south. But in acute angle bearing, we don't read angle with respect to east, and we don't read angle with respect to west, meaning that west or east cannot start the reading of compass bearing or acute angle bearing. So we cancel this. This is not a possibility. So what we're going to do now is, we now ask ourselves, this remaining place here, let me use dotted line. This remaining place here that has connection with the south, what do you think you should put here? If you come back here and look at this one, you see that north and east, the angle here is 90. between east and south is another 90. So if you look very closely, you discover that this place, here is 70, here is from north to east is 90 already. So east to south is meant to be 90. So here is already 70. For you to know what you are going to put here is actually 90 degrees, take away the 70 degrees, which of course will give you 20 degrees. So that means that this remaining place here is 20 degrees. So we are going to now use this 20 degree to read the angle they say we should answer. So we're going to say 160 degrees is equal to, you pick this 20. Before you pick the 20, pick south, and then you write 20 degrees east. So this is the reading or the reading of 160 degrees as a compass or acute angle bearing. The two of them are the same. 160 degrees is in three-figure bearing, while 20 south, 20 degree east is in compass or acute angle bearing. So this is what we do. In acute angle bearing, we read angle with respect to either north or south. North or south. Okay, so let me give you something for you to do. When you are done, please select the correct answer and fix it in the comment section. All right, this is for you. The options have been given. So when you are done solving, please put the answer in the comment section. Do well to like, to share, and do well to subscribe too. Thank you very much.